Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this Python-SQL practical series. So let's start with practical number 4. Here we will write a Python program to generate the patterns using nested loops. So, so these are the patterns which we will make in the Google Colab. Okay, so let's start with first I will go to browser. I will type for Google Colab. Then I will go to this link. Then I will open Colab. Then new notebook. I will first rename this file, make it practical number 4. Once done, I will start with write practical number 4. Write a Python program to generate the following patterns using nested loops. So our first pattern will be like, so I'm giving three inverted commas to write multi-line comment. So first pattern will be is first star, then we have two stars, then three stars, then four, and fifth. So I will close the inverted commas. So this is a pattern we have to generate. So let's begin with our programming. So first we have to define the number of rows for the pattern. So I will take number of rows equal to 5, since we have 5 rows, so I will take 5. Then outer loop for rows, for I in range I will write first 1, then num plus 1, num rows plus 1. Since it's a for loop, we have to give a colon at the end. So num rows plus 1, because we have 5 rows, and the number of rows of which we want to have, we have to give one extra. So now for inner loop we will write for j in range, and in bracket we have to write I and put a colon in the end. Now I will print, we have to print star, and you can put either single inverted comma or double inverted comma, it's up to you. So it is used to move to the next line after printing each row. So I will give write print. So this is our outer loop. You can write here outer loop. And this is our inner loop. So if I execute this program by pressing Shift plus Enter, so here is the output we are getting. So this is same as the output we have this. Okay. So our second pattern will be pattern 2. Again 3 in inverted commas. Then this time I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have 1, 2, 3. This time we have numeric function. So I will write this. So this is the pattern we have to generate. So to generate this, we will again first define the number of rows. So num rows. So here again we have 5 number of rows. So number of rows will be 5. Okay. So again for the outer loop, I have to write for I in range. But this time I will start with fifth row. That is means num rows plus 1. Num rows. Then I will come to the 0 and minus 1. So my start value will be num rows, my stop value will be 0, and that step size will be minus 1 because we are getting first we have 5 numbers, then we have 4, that why it is decreasing, so minus 1. So for this is our outer loop, and since it's a for loop we have to give a colon in the end. Now for the inner loop I will write for j in range, and I will write 1 comma I plus 1. Again put a colon, then print j, and to give a break you can put a single inverted comma, double inverted comma, it's up to you. So now we have to move to the next line after printing each row, so I will print here. Now if I simply execute the program by pressing shift plus enter, or you can simply click on this display button, so you can just enter it. So this is the output we have. First 1 2 3 4, then we have 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 1. Okay. So now we have next pattern, that is pattern number 3. So our third pattern is, I will again put 3 inverted commas, and I will write a, then ab, then a b c d e, then sorry, a b c d e. This is the pattern we have to generate. So after writing this I will just write first same thing, we have to first define the number of rows. So I will just write number of rows. Again we have 5 rows, we will take 5. Then once done we will take the outer loop. So for I in range, again we have to start with 0, then num rows, plus 1, and then the step size will be 1. So here we have this to end colon, and then on our inner loop I will write for j in range numbers. Now in this we have first print. Since we have character here, so I will print character, and again I will print the ordinal, ORD for ordinal. Then I will put the start character, so plus j, then comma, and then I have to move, since I have to move to the next line, so I will print here. So let's execute this program by pressing shift plus enter. So one error I am getting. So the error is, so I have to define the first start character, right? That is why I have not defined that start character. So I will just write numbers, then I have to give one start character. So our start character will be a. So a is a string, so it will be in double inverted, single inverted comma. It's up to you. Okay. So if I now execute it, this is the, so we have this in reverse order, and it is coming from A B C D E F to A. Okay, and we have around 6 rows. Here we got in reverse. So I will just copy this. Okay, I will copy this and paste it here. So I have not defined the number of rows here, so I will just write 5 here, and here I can write print j in range. Instead of writing this whole stuff, I can just simply write I. If I now execute this, I will get this. So A B, A B C, A B C D, and this. So here we have this in the reverse order, and we have this ascending order. So you can write in both ways. Okay, so like we can call it our pattern number 4. So if you want to take out the print for this, you can just go to this file, then go to print, then you will get a preview here. Currently it is rolling, so this type of preview you will get. So if you're satisfied with the preview, you can just simply save as PDF and just save here. So it will be saved in your downloads. You can go, or you can just choose where you want to save your file. So you can just rename it and save. Okay, so this way you can download the PDF for the program. So we will meet in next practical. Thank you for attending.